the notice of disallowance, according to Auditor Wamil, is already prima facie that shows that the head of the agency can be is already culpable. Tama po ba yun?
Person liable to return the money. Okay? Kasi at that point na after all the time given, no, the opportunities given for the agency to explain at hindi niya na-explain. Kaya nga nag-issue na ng notice of disallowance, no? Hindi niya talaga na-liquidate. Hindi niya na-satisfy yung kailangang hinahanap na justification. So, presumed na hindi niya
na for personal use na. Yun na yung presumption.
there
Yun
is
na
a
yung presumption.
presumption. Yeah. Kasi hindi niya na-explain.
Is that a betrayal of public trust?
I am not a senator, Judge.
But what do you, given your experience po?
I am so happy that I don't have to make that decision. Let's leave it at that, okay?
Okay, it was asked by Senator Judge Amy Marcos, ang head of agency ba o yung special disbursement officer lang? Sino po ba ang mananagot dyan? How do you distinguish where the responsibility or accountability lies?
Hindi ko masyadong makuha yung context ni Senator Judge kanina, no? But ang persons liable under, not only under the joint circular, but under all COA rules and regulations and the law, PD 1445, no? Ang persons liable, yung mga persons na may partisipasyon dun sa transaksyon. Halimbawa, yung nag-approve, yung gumawa ng check, kaya yung treasurer usually yung nag-issue, yung tumanggap, no? So lahat sila. And I think that testimony was to the effect that the VP was the one who approved. Because as a matter of fact, siya dapat ang nag-a-approve pag confidential fund, how it is to be utilized, no? Siya nag-a-approve talaga noon. So may participation siya. And that in itself already makes her one of the so-called persons liable. Also, in PD 1445, no, the head of agency, whether or not physical participation, by virtue of the fact na head of agency ka, nakalagay doon sa batas na primarily responsible ka na.
Was that...
Kasi may command responsibility